Hi folks, good morning and welcome to Smile Jamaica. It's morning time. It is August 1.
Yes, it's Emancipation Day.
Yep. Month number 8 of the year. It's almost Christmas. Yay. We welcome everyone on onespotmedia.com, on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, and Smile Jam TVJ, and also on television, Jamaica.com. It's a holiday. Why we're here, we don't know. Because we know you probably don't even get up yet. And it's one of them people that you don't get up and watch some Smile Jamaica this morning.
Them roll over and turn on the TV. They might not be up and out of the bed, but them turn on the TV.
What going?
Look how long I haven't been here. When was the last time I sat in this chair?
Well, Saturday.
Months. No, we don't use this on a Saturday. We're all relaxed on a Saturday.
So we don't relax during the week?
No, when you come in the week, you have to be, you know.
Good to see you.
Poised. Good morning. It's good to see you too, my friend.
Can I say it again? It's a holiday.
Why are you here?
So why are we here? Why we can't? Why we can't? All right, I have a plan, right?
What's the plan?
So at the start of the year, we just tape all of the holiday shows one time.
So who are going to stay for that?
No, at the start of the year.
No,
like
but who are going to stay for that?
We just tape Good Friday, we tape, and we just tape everything one time, and we just put it in what they call a little can, and then we just run it, and we just stay home. No?
I'm accustomed to working on public holidays, so
Me too, but it don't right. Not because we're accustomed to make it right. You know what you just call it? A public holiday. I am a public.
No, you're a private.
No, I am a public.
You're not a private.
Holiday, so I'm supposed to be at my house. I am a public.
You're a private.
Actually, I am. What am I? What may I have? May I have OD is what?
So he's a private?
Commander.
He's a special.
No, it's
you have to work. See, they just kill yourself.
Officer class and commander class. So me would be what? Commander, don't?
Right.
So why are you talking to me like me on our size?
You're right. We're not size.
Sir
I'm
Neville,
bigger than
as
you.
of now. Well, him call me Sir Bell, which don't make no sense, because you call Sir by them first name, not them last name. But him call me Sir Bell. Burro called me Bello Pro, which is the greatest name anybody ever give me in life.
Bello Pro?
Yeah.
So what I call you? Jingles!
Oh, I have some breaking news for you.
What's that?
I know me and the short boss.
Oh, now why now?
Not anymore. Me and the short boss still.
It's true. I came into the studio this morning,
find the distance
and Jody was over there,
yeah, no,
and he was over here, and he said done with her, and I don't know what's happening. What happened? What she do?
New emancipation. I have emancipated myself from
what did she do?
slavery. I just done with her.
What
Finished.
she do?
Relationship done.
Oh,
I think I want.
All right. That's one wife off the list. She said she was never a
wife. Wife, like she was never the wife.
It's over. Divorce.
Finito. Remember me tell you, if I call her name again, folks, I ball made again, but I can't ball made again.
It can't get no baller, friend. It can't get no baller.
Can
I tell you that I enjoyed watching that? I made a video of myself watching you get your head shaved and teeth. I laughed till I nearly popped.
You want me done with you too?
You can't done with me.
All right. All right, so this morning we're going to take a walk down memory lane as well as a glimpse into the future. It is called a Metro Paradise, and it is done by Tiana Anglin, and it's beautiful. I came in and I saw it, and it's
the whole set.
So we call it a mural?
Yes, a mural.
Yeah,
it's large.
I think it's probably about 12 of them or something.
We're going to show you what that looks like in a bit.
Yeah.
Plus, we're going to show you some amazing and functional crafted wood pieces from JC, the carpenter. She's amazing. I call her Auntie Karen. And I was actually hoping that I would have interviewed her when she eventually made it onto Smile. And I'm not supposed to wear this morning, but I'm here. And it's just
you're
like,
going to interview her.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Amazing, right?
Also, I'm not certain I understand the difference, because we're going to ask the question whether Emancipation Day should be celebrated or just acknowledged. I'm not certain if...
You don't know the difference between the two words, or you don't know why? Of course you know the difference between two words.
No, I know the two.
Should we?
But
or should we?
Observe it. I remember the first time, because I think we used to celebrate it or observe it a long time ago, but then we stopped, and we started back in 1997. I met Simone that day.
What?
You know why?
Oh.
I met Simone for the first time on 1997, August 1. We changed the name from JBC
To TVJ?
No.
To what?
To a pizza name, Super Supreme TV.
I must have been sleeping.
I'm serious, that was the name. That was the name.
I was
It was
asleep.
Super Supreme TV for about a year, and then they switched it to Television Jamaica.
I was asleep.
And actually, I think they asked the public to decide what they thought the name should be. So it went from JBC to Super Supreme, and that's how I met Sim. Is me and her unleash it over Melbourne Cricket Club. I remember the morning, and the two of us, she was on that side, I was on that side, and we were so SSTV, which had another connotation because of the SS and the Germans, which wasn't so wonderful.
Gotcha.
Yeah, it was like a Nazi TV.
Roll that back.
Yeah, serious. And then they had, but Super Supreme just sound like it's a pizza. Like it just go by. And
Like it's a full pizza with everything, but it has Super Supreme.
So that was 20 years ago.
Wow.
Well, 21 actually, because it's now 2018.
That's
when I remember starting to, whether observe, celebrate, acknowledge then. So we've asked that question. What else is coming
Let's
up?
talk about that. And 2018 JCDC Festival song with the Nazzleman. What a name.
Did you notice that them change your name too?
Yeah, man.
So you go from Sakina
to
here
Simone.
to Simone down here. To Empress down there. Hey Empress, where is Empress, man? That is a surprise that she's not here on
her day.
Well, she would have my people up the place for the entire
I know.
So I went it for my people.
Later on, wait, are you ready?
Yeah.
You have to do it properly now.
After three, 1, 2, 3.
My people. We're doing it for you, Empress, because we know this is your day.
Natalia O will also be here, and she'll show us, I guess, some emancipation fashions. There's also going to be something to smile about, which really should only be on Saturday, because I'm not taking that every time.
No, man, me hear a so I think it's nice.
Yeah, we will see is what. But we have some hot topics for you.
Yes, we do.
Dennis Chung, that's the first one.
Oh, yeah.
Who's the chairman of the National Solid Waste Management Authority. He said that arsonists were responsible for the majority of the 11 fires at several dumps across the island in the last 2 months. He says that raises security concerns at the disposal facilities. He says most are suspected to be set by arsonists. Flammable liquid was found leading from the fire at Riverton. Here's the question I don't understand. Am I not told that people live on the site?
Of course they would. How are they surviving?
No, but why would you want... So who is setting the fire,
We don't
in
know.
other words? Because it couldn't be the people who live there, because you go and kill yourself. So that don't make any sense. That don't make no sense. If you live there and you set a fire, it's almost like you set a fire in your own house.
Right.
That don't make any sense. So if it is in fact an arsonist, who's setting it? And why would you want to set it? To give the government a hard time? To give the people who run it a hard time?
Sometimes it's the smell. Sometimes it's the fact that it's getting too crowded. Sometimes it's for whatever reason. But the fact of the matter is, what the reason behind them setting it is unimportant. The fact is they have been setting it, and almost every year we go through the same thing over and over and over and over again.
Yeah, but all right, and I accept. So the smell don't nice.
No.
You'd rather die from smoke inhalation than the smell?
But maybe they are not
That don't
close
make no
enough to
sense.
suffer.
And then I
from
was
it.
told from a little birdie that apparently some of these people who set the fire earn because them have out the fire too, so them get our money to help to out the fire. Which, hello, which you hurt yourself if that is in fact so, because I don't know. I don't know if any of this is so, but I'm told that people earning from this. But again, if it is in fact an arsonist, I don't understand what you have to gain from it though. Unless it's you, I get all of the money where start the fire, unless it's you and your family earn from it. But Regina and Sister, we're going to hurt yourself, we're going to hurt the family, we're going to hurt
everybody else.
We're going to hurt the whole place, because you look down there, it's just... you can't show me about that picture with the bike again. Yeah, it's just, look at that. You can't see.
You don't even need to look at that picture. Anybody who was anyway from Mandela all the way up to Mullines to New Kingston was literally standing in it. It was insane.
Yeah, that don't make no sense.
But my concern is not that anyway. Yeah. All right, you say I must stop, so I go stop.
I know what. When did I tell you to stop? I never said you must stop.
I'm tired to hear about it. I'm tired to live through it.
I never tell you must stop.
Them need to hurry up and do something.
Yeah, which is what he's saying.
Yes.
Security must be better.
I'm appreciative of what he's saying. I need to see what he's doing.
Yeah, all right.
Mandela Highway is almost complete. Can you believe it? So them say I drive on it every day.
Again, no, the headline kind of don't match the story. Because the headline said Mandela Highway almost complete, but then the first sentence said it should have been complete next month, but it's going to be pushed back.
Yeah.
So that makes sense.
They're trying to give you a little sugar with the salt.
But you understand what I said? Yeah, if you say it almost complete, would suggest to me that it almost was done before it was scheduled.
They're trying to give you like they must say, we know it's supposed to done like next month, but just hold on.
Yeah.
Guess what? It almost done.
The
so
US 64 million Mandela Highway realignment and reconstruction project, which was originally slated to be completed by next month, has been pushed back to year end.
Me didn't know so never.
Well, that is almost still, but the headline kind of fooled me because the headline is
we're in August, next week, September, October, November, December. That's 4 months.
4 months.
And 4 months of anybody who has to travel that highway knows that that is a very long time. I'm going to tell you that. That's the truth. Because 4 months of traffic, and then when they're ready to open back for school, and then anytime a car breakdown or there's an accident, or even just someone stopping on the highway to do something, whether it's to pick up somebody, causes a backup of miles.
Well, do you know I'm coming from Montego Bay? I'm coming from Montego Bay.
Oh, you were at a time?
And you know me is the brightest man in the whole world.
Are you?
So I figured that if I leave Montego Bay early, like say 6 o'clock in the morning, I reach me yard.
No, sir, that's in the middle of traffic time.
Man. Well, Everard, I reached Mandela.
Buck.
Mr. Officer, I'm glad they wasn't on the road because I reached Mandela in quick time. And when I reached Mandela, it took me 2 hours from Mandela to reach me yard. It took me the same amount of time from Montego Bay to Mandela, from Mandela to reach me yard. Yeah. When I reached me, I just sit down for it. I never see so much car in my life. And the car them come from all about.
And
the car come from so one.
You see that traffic that you were in? That is every weekday.
No, seriously, no. I'm not teasing you. It took me 2 hours to drive what would normally take me 10 minutes. I'm serious, 10 minutes. And it took me 2 hours from Mobile. So
which is why people who live on that side of the world or across the waters, we have to live early.
Yep.
All right, but them say can you hold on until the end of the year because them doing some subgrade filling on a queue ramp, and I think that means that them filling out the 2 side of the thing that we see over.
Good. Should look good.
Remember we had seen the plans?
Hopefully it will help the traffic both ways.
Maybe. We'll see.
This one is so sad. Irvin Carrot Jarrett, outstanding percussionist. Someone who I've known in a serious way probably for about 50 years.
So long?
I've known him since I've been a teenager.
Wow.
And I am 65 now. He's one of our colleagues, worked over at the radio. Actually saw him last week. One morning I was going down for the newspaper and he had just come off here. Outstanding percussionist, great person, and unfortunately just passed on. Completely unexpected.
I tell you.
They say he was found lifeless in his room. And it also said it is believed that he transitioned peacefully. Boy, very sad, very unexpected. Ibo Cooper in that picture there, but that's Irvin Jarrett, they call him Carrot. So condolences to his wife, his kids, the rest of his family, and his friends. Really sad. That's on Smile Jamaica, actually. He was a holistic practitioner. So?
Yes, sir.
Yep. And certainly will be missed by many people. All right, what's the final one?
France has decided that they will tell their kids to leave all their smartphones and the smart devices at home.
Smartphone are just a regular?
It's one of them here, your phone.
No, but just a regular. All cell phones are not smartphones.
No.
So that's what
the ones that have internet
so them ban the cell phone, them ban the
no,
smart.
it says they've banned smartphones and smart devices.
So how them know my phone smart?
Then you can look on it from it have internet connection.
So suppose I say, so if it have internet, it's smart?
If you have one of the internet connections and you can use apps and stuff, that's considered
So you can
a
just take up my
smartphone.
phone and so it's a smartphone?
Of course I can. Because look at it.
You know, say me have a smart TV, but I don't know how to use the smart
I don't
part.
want them then in my bedroom.
No, I have one, but I don't know how to use the smart part of
Why?
it.
Just hook it up to your internet.
How am I do that?
Go into settings.
On the TV? So the TV have settings?
God bless you. Your heart.
Marvin, I'm a bridge. All right, I'm going to say on the TV, Marvin, the politics. I don't say smart this minute. So I know the man still shaking with Marvin the politics.
Anyway, the people them say in France that them cannot take anything with internet connection to school. That's it.
Have internet connection.
Yeah, and that applies to kids between the ages
reason
of
would
3
be
and
what?
15. We know that today there's a phenomenon of screen addiction. So they're trying to prevent screen addiction, a phenomenon of bad mobile phone use. So the main role is to protect the children. So what they're doing is trying to protect the children from having that kind of addiction. And everybody
apparently, it says a study from South Korea conducted on teenagers with internet and smartphone addiction demonstrated that their brains had higher levels of neurotransmitter that slows down neurons, resulting in reduced levels of control and attention and rendering people more susceptible to distractions.
In other words, don't bring it come to school because
when you are addicted, what that mean? You're on it all day, every day, all the time?
Yeah, because you have to be monitoring what's happening 24/7. Can you leave your phone? Can you not be on your phone, whether it be WhatsApp, internet? Yeah, can you leave it for like a... No, I'm asking.
No, and it's me?
No, just I use you as a question. Can you leave your phone for a week?
For a week?
Yeah.
I've never tried a week, but I reached my gate and realized I never have my phone and I just bust out a laugh.
No, we're not talking about forgetting your phone and
that's what I'm saying.
surviving overnight.
No, my point is I would want to try that.
Test yourself and see how long you can stay. That's a lie, Marvin. Stop it. You want to see him roundabout?
The only reason I wouldn't want to do that is because my kids live abroad. And
I'm saying that if you can take out your SIM card or get another SIM card and stick it into what we call a flashlight phone or what do you call it? Or a robot? What do you call it?
For a week. You don't want me to have my phone for a week? I'm
saying a smart device, a banger, that's what them call it, a banger. So you can contact your kids if it's an emergency, or your kids can contact you.
Tell me what you want me to do and I'll do it.
Don't me not tell you?
Yeah.
But you not hear me.
Do not speak
to me like take your cell phone, don't talk like that to you on TV.
No,
I must talk like that to you around the back.
Yeah, but not on TV. Okay. You're bullying me.
Don't bully?
Please.
Why is everybody calling me a bully?
I never call you a bully. I said you're bullying me.
All right, I'm not.
What I must do? Tell me what I must do.
I would like for you to get another SIM card.
Yeah.
Because that SIM card is a micro SIM card because it's in a smartphone
right
now. So you need a SIM card that fits in a banger.
Yeah.
That is a replica of your number.
Yeah.
And then leave your smartphones aside for a week. Is that something you think you could do?
Yeah, sure.
So that would mean no WhatsApp, no internet, no text. Well, you can text.
But that's not the reason. I'm not certain.
Why not?
Because I don't know. I work. Suppose the boss need me to come.
The boss can call you on your banger. You see?
Oh, I see your point.
This is exactly what I'm saying.
No, but I can do it here. I can just don't use the phone and just take calls alone. I can do that.
No.
Don't go on WhatsApp.
I want you.
Listen to me. Don't go on WhatsApp.
I'm not going to trust that.
We're talking. You don't trust me?
I'm not saying I don't trust you, but I'm saying I want you to survive with a banger for a week.
All right, somebody give me a banger.
If me provide you with a banger, you would take out your SIM card and just work with a banger for a week.
I will lock the two of them down. I just call me, pick them and give them a new number and lock this down. I don't need this.
I want to say, oh yeah, I got announce the bag of birthday them. Oh, I got to tell you what.
That is one of the reasons I would have closed it down. That is one of the reasons I would close it down. 99.9347% of the birthdays that
What a study.
I don't know them.
Well, of course not. We don't know most of them.
You know, I'm in the I'm on the plaza. True story. I'm on the plaza. Never sure. So my car I drive. Boom. There's a car in front of me. So this car I go boom, and me I go boom, and the car just stop. So me stop. And there's another car behind me. So me say wait. So I lock my door, because I see the door open. So I said, no, walk on. And I just see this lady run out to me and say, it's my birthday tomorrow. And you are going to announce it. So sit there while I go and write it down. See here? True story. So I look behind me, I can't move. She blocked me up, the man behind me, I blow like it's my problem. Oh, and I just sit down there and wait. And you know, when she gave to me, I church down the seat. I mean, you know, so I not do it. But I did it.
Of course you did it, and that's why I'm going to keep treating you, sir.
Hold on.